Teuna Classic community, wow, they've actually nominated Binance founder CZ. They nominated CZ on the Teuna Classic proposal and vote. They nominated CZ to lead Teuna Classic revival. Now, I'm happy for this because right now, what they are thinking is how to revive this coin because so many things is not working. Luna is dropping almost every day and something needs to be done. And I'm happy for the fact that Teuna Classic community are actually nominating Binance founder, CEO of Binance, CZ. CZ is the #1 supporter of Teuna Classic. Now, it is a good thing to nominate CZ because I believe he would even put more support towards Teuna Classic. Binance were able to burn over 2.6 billion coins just about 3 days ago. Now I believe, of course, Binance will also do so many things possible to increase the burning rate of Teuna Classic. They will also do everything possible to, push Teuna Classic. Look at what they did with Shiba Inu as of last year, where once you register on Binance, I think they were given bonuses based on Shiba Inu tokens. So people were encouraged. Shiba Inu really gained a lot from Binance doing such thing. So I'm happy because I believe they might decide to do or come up with different idea on how to help Teuna Classic to revive. So selecting Binance founder CZ himself to lead, they nominated him to lead Teuna Classic revival. It's a good thing, it's a good move. So let's watch and see how things go. So once again, remember that one day, I believe, definitely cryptocurrency will put smiles on our faces. We are going to make huge profit from crypto industry. This is not the financial advice. Thank you.